watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello crafty friends, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and it's mystery box time! And it's new cutie time too, because we have a new cutie in this mystery box. Now this mystery box is Cricut's Poppy Fields mystery box, and we're gonna check out the new cutie. And sorry if you hear a cricket. Jiminy Cricket has been living in my basement. Luckily he's moved from my craft area now and I cannot find him. So if you hear a cricket in the back, that's why. I don't know about you guys, but when I hear Poppy, I always think of the Wizard of Oz and the Poppy Fields. So here is our new Cricut Cutie. This is Poppy, the Poppy Cutie. And Poppy is, I would say he's between orange and red, almost like a burnt orange, actually. Like pumpkin orange, actually. This little guy his name could have been Pumpkin Spice, I feel like. So Poppy, definitely more orange than red. So I'll go ahead and put a pop up here, and that is the new Poppy Cutie with a couple colors that are close in range. So Persimmon is close to the shade. It's a little darker, a little more rust color, I'd say, and it's shiny, but you can see the difference between the old finish and the new finish. And because we have our cutie in the box, it is going to be for Cricut Access members only. But if you're not a member of Access, there are links below to not only purchase this mystery box, which new cutie, so you might want to go do that and then see what else is in the box. Ooh, and I just wanted to clarify. In one of my last mystery box videos, I was talking about Access and I said Access is a must. I didn't mean like you actually have to have it for design space. I just want to clarify that. I meant like for me it's a must. I can't imagine having design space without all the features of Access and then the discounts too, because it just pays for itself within the discounts I get too. So I just wanted to clarify that. Somebody pointed that out and I was like, ooh, I didn't mean you have to have it. You can totally use your Cricut without Access. You just get way more features, and then those images and fonts you don't have to pay for in itself too. And if you've been here before, you know I love glitter. And there is a lot of sparkly fabulousness in this box, so that makes me happy. First up of sparkly magnificence, we are getting Cricut's Glitter Iron-On, and this is in the pink color. So Glitter Iron-On, you're gonna get 12 by 19 inches of that. A beautiful pink glittery sparkleness. And we are getting, and this one is a big one, we are getting 5 feet of silver glitter iron-on. No, so this is 12 inches by 5 feet, but I think, especially with the holidays coming up, I always think silver holiday projects, New Year's, perfect. And speaking of New Year's, this would be really good for that too. We are getting black gold glitter iron-on. So again, it's gonna be 12 by 19 inches of this beautiful black with the gold glitter on it. Doesn't that just scream like Happy New Year? Perfect for holidays too. Everybody in their ugly Christmas sweaters. And we're getting some glitter iron-on in fluorescent orange, which it looks way softer color than it actually is. To me, it's almost like, it doesn't, to me, I don't think fluorescent orange when I see it. I think just a little bit brighter of a coral, actually. There you go. Now you can see the color. I'm trying over here to bend light over here so you can see the color. And we are getting some foil iron-on, and this is rose gold. So you're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of this. And it does look gold. It looks more gold in the video than it is. And I thought, you know, it would look really pretty is putting this glitter iron-on with some of the rose gold foil iron-on. That would be super pretty. Super pretty. Oh, you know what else you could put with it? Everyday iron-on in raspberry. Look how pretty those colors look together though. You got the everyday iron, the foil, and the glitter. And yes, you can use all these together in a project. I'm gonna get 12 by 24 inches of that. And that's that beautiful, well, raspberry color. So, all of my iron-on people have to love that. I know sometimes there's vinyl and people are like, we want more iron-on. This is perfect because this box had all this iron-on in it. And something we can always use more of, Cricut mat. So we're getting a 2-pack of the 12 by 12 standard grip mat. I love getting new mats. I know sometimes people are like, oh, I don't like new mats because it's too sticky. Just a little tip. If you're mat and you don't want it too sticky, take a clean white t-shirt and you can just go ahead and stick it to it just to pull away some of the stickiness, but you don't want to use like You don't want to use a shirt that has like animal hair on it and then go ahead and do it, because then you're going to have animal hair stuck to your mats, which I'm pretty sure all my mats have because of my animals anyway. It just ends up there, but you don't want to start off that way. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Poppy Fields mystery box. Now the price of the mystery box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, and these have great savings on them too. The MSRP US is $147.92, and the MSRP Canadian is $207.92. So that is like huge savings. And links are below to go ahead and purchase. We greatly appreciate when you guys use those links. And also in the links below, links to our current giveaway, which we actually have 2 because we always have our monthly crafting challenge going on. So with that, somebody's gonna win $50 to spend at Cricut.com. And then we also have our other giveaway. And for this giveaway, I kept trying to decide, like, should we give away like an easy press, maybe a Joy Extra, something like that. But I just decided let's do $200 to spend at Cricut. So you can choose what makes you happy. You might already have all those things. I know we have lots of members that have like all the machines and all the presses. So a little Cricut shopping spree always makes you happy. And it's a $200 ship it. It's a $200 Cricut shopping spree. So that is very exciting. You could get lots of the new materials too. Ooh, ooh. Which also in the links below, I am going to add a link to the video showing the new products in case you haven't seen them yet. And I'm also going to add links to a couple recent videos on updates in Design Space, because if you haven't been in Design Space, you'll want to watch that. Otherwise you might go in and think like, where did my buttons go? They moved it, they took this away. Nothing's been taken away. We got little handy dandy shortcut toolbars now, or the Batman belt as they call it too, and a whole new tool panel. So if you haven't been in Design Space, you might want to catch up with what's new in Design Space. They really keep doing so much for us and adding so much for us in Design Space, which is exciting. So I thought this was a great box with all the iron-on. And think the holidays are coming up, so much you can do with iron-on. I mean, you can use it in your cards, you can make apparel, you can make home decor for people, make pillows. I mean, there's just so much you can make for iron-on with gifts. All right, thank you guys so much for joining. We greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the bell, and then you will get notified whenever we go live or we have videos, and we will always release these mystery box videos as soon as they are available. And thank you, Cricut, for sending us these. Thank you to our amazing admins and our Patreons. You guys rock. And we will see you guys next time. I hope your week is filled with lots of happy crafting. Happy crafting. Crafting is therapy, and it's cheaper than therapy. Well, that might be a lie. But it makes us happy. So do more of what makes you happy. So until next time, guys, happy crafting, and we will see you guys next time. And as Alex says, toodles. Bye, guys.